Hello guys, this is Ansh and you are watching TechKnowledge. So today I'm going to show you how websites are created. As I say in my HTML tutorial #1 video that HTML is the structure of the website. Okay. And now we can design our website like other websites. So with the help of HTML. And if you want to design your website, you have to use CSS. So now, what is CSS? What is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. It's a sheet style language. CSS is used for make the website designable. Okay. And now, now you know CSS and HTML. HTML is for make structure. CSS is for style. And when we combine these, then the beautiful website has been created. Okay. That's it guys. If you like this video, so please like this video and thanks for watching. Bye bye.